Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to make a very pretty sunflower pattern macrame mirror using this beautiful macrame cord. This is a 4 mm size single strand macrame cord. The other elements we need is a mirror, one silver hoop which will be little smaller than the mirror. We can take the hoop which will fit in the edge of the mirror. Mine is little too smaller, but that's okay. This is only what available with me. The measurements are 17 centimeters for the mirror and 15 centimeters for the hoop. I already cut out the cords according to my hoop size. If you are making it bigger or smaller, just adjust it accordingly. We need total 4 cords. First two is of 500 centimeters, second one is 570 centimeters, and the last one will be 620 centimeters long. If this is too confusing, we can use the longest measurement as standard, but if not, we can align the threads like this. First one will be 500, second one will be 620, third one will be 570, and the last one again is 500 centimeters. This is just to save your cords from wasting. Unwind and align all of them together and secure them strongly with a tape or a pin, anything available. You just have to learn the pattern once for one petal. Rest all the process will be same and easy. So let's learn the first step. Place the fourth yarn like this. We will make double hitch knot with all the other cords now. Take the second cord and wrap the first cord with this like this. This is a hitch knot. Repeat the process one more time. Keep the cord like this. Pass it from the gap like this, and this is a double hitch knot. We repeat this with all the cords. Move on to the third one and repeat the same thing. On this first row, the threads are going to be keep losing, so make sure your grip is tight and use the tape to secure it properly. Once the foundation is made, it's going to be quite easy. Make 2 hitch knot with all the yarns. Here goes our first row. Second row, we will keep the first cord aside and repeat the same process, but only with these 3 cords now. Keep the rightmost cord like this and make double hitch knot with other 2. And for third row, we will keep the second cord aside and use only this 2. We are done with half of the petal, and now we will do the same thing but from the left side to the right. Keep the leftmost cord like this, and with the second cord make double hitch knot. For the next row, add one more cord and repeat the same process. Next row, we will add the last cord as well and repeat the hitch knot. This time, before finishing the row with this last cord, we will take our silver hoop and we will attach the design to the hoop with the cord. Keep the cord like this on top of the hoop and like a U shape and pass it from the gap. Keep it closer. Took the cord from behind the hoop and pass it from the gap here. Here we created a lark's head knot. We have to continue unless it aligns till here. Remember, for the first step, we keep the cord on top like this and pass it from the gap. And for the second step, pass the cord from behind the hoop and pass it from the gap. Now repeat this for 3-4 more times. Once both the sides are aligned, continue with our hitch knot we left to do. On the second cord, we will continue the hitch knot. And here we finish our first petal. And now we again have 4 cords like our very first step. Now we have to follow the same step and create 1 petal each time. If you have any confusion, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below. The process is really satisfying, and once you get the hang of it, it will feel really easy. It took me a couple of hours to complete the whole thing. Make sure at the edge of finishing the whole circle, slide the petal side to make sure there is no gap in between. Otherwise, when the work become little old, gaps will start to show. And at the end, tie some knot using both sides of the cords and cut the cords really short. And you can apply some fabric glue to make the knots little stronger and tighter. And the last step, we will use our glue gun, and any other glue you can use. It has to be strong enough to hold the mirror to the work. And apply a very thick amount of glue and just press the mirror and let it dry completely. And now you can remove the protective layer from the mirror, and this is how it's gonna look. Very pretty. The design will be very solid. I haven't recorded any nice video of the mirror yet. I will post a short real soon. I hope you like the process and I hope you like the design as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.